It's time for Ask Adam. Hello. My name is Adam and I love questions. I love asking questions, I love answering questions, I love everything to do with questions. Today's question comes from Zoe in Denver, Colorado. Denver is actually the capital of Colorado. It would take 2 hours to fly to Denver from Los Angeles, where I live. Or it would take 16 hours to drive there. Or it would take 30 full days to walk, which is cuckoo bananas! A fun fact about Denver is that it is exactly 1 mile above sea level. Another fun fact about Denver is that it hosted the 1976 Winter Olympics and is home to lots of fun outdoor activities. Now, back to Zoe's question. Zoe asks, how do you make a piñata? Ooh! Piñatas are perfect for birthday parties and celebrations. I love when all the candy flies out. Have you ever been to an event with a piñata? Nice. Well, I think piñatas are super fun, but I have no idea how to make one. I can't wait to put on one of my magic adventure hats to give me the knowledge to answer Zoe's question. Which of my magic adventure hats should I wear to transport us to the crafts room and give me the knowledge to answer Zoe's question? My chef's hat? My crafts hat? Or my pirate hat? My crafts hat! Very good. Now, to transport us to the crafts room, we have to say the magical phrase, cuckoo bananas, 3 times. Say it with me. Cuckoo bananas, cuckoo bananas, cuckoo bananas. Whoa! Oh, you did it! We made it! And welcome to our crafts room. With my magic crafts hat on, I can tell you all about piñatas. For example, a piñata is a container often made out of paper mache, clay, or cardboard. It is decorated and can come in lots of different colors and shapes. It's then filled with candy or toys and often broken as part of a celebration. Piñatas originated in China. Marco Polo, a very famous explorer, visited China and then brought back the practice of piñatas to Italy. There, it spread all throughout the world. Now, I always say the best way to learn to do something is by doing it. So, let's make a piñata. But first, safety first! Make sure that you have an adult with you before you begin making your piñata. Now, I have all my supplies ready to go, but before we can begin, we have to decide what kind of piñata we're going to make. So, in this bowl, I have 3 different types of piñatas. The paper mache piñata, the clay piñata, or the cardboard piñata. Let's see what kind of piñata we'll make. Looks like we'll be making a paper mache piñata. Awesome. Now that we know what kind of piñata we're gonna make, we need to know how we're gonna decorate it. In this bowl, I have all the names of different kinds of ways we could decorate our piñata, like a dinosaur, or an emoji, or an angry bird, or an animal, all different types of things. Let's see what we get. Looks like we're gonna be making a funny face emoji piñata. Awesome. So, we are going to be making a paper mache and funny face emoji piñata today. Awesome. Let's get our supplies. Let's go over what materials we will need for our piñata. We will need a balloon, 2 bowls, water, flour, white strips of paper, and scissors. Now you can decorate your piñata however you want, but for our emoji piñata, we are going to use yellow paint, paintbrush, glue stick, and construction paper. Great, now let's get started. We're gonna start by making our paste. In order to do so, we are gonna mix 4 cups of water with 2 cups of flour. Let's begin. Mix it all up and try and get all the bumps and clumps out. Now we are going to prepare our balloon. We are going to put our balloon in our bowl to hold it in place, like this. The balloon is going to create the shape of our piñata, and since we are making an emoji piñata, we want it to be round, like a face. Next, we are going to dip our pre-cut strips one by one into our paste, and then place them all over our balloon. Make sure to have them change directions and overlap a bit. This process can be a bit time-consuming, so be patient and make sure you let it dry before flipping the balloon over and doing the other side. Once you have your first layer on your balloon, let it dry and then repeat this step 2 more times so that there are 3 layers of paper covering the balloon and everything is completely dry. Now that our paper is dry and stiff, we can decorate it. I'm going to paint mine yellow to look just like an emoji. I'll be right back. Perfect. Next, we are going to cut out the eyes, nose, and mouth of the emoji with construction paper and glue it on. But remember, you can decorate yours however you want. You can use markers, paint, glitter, crayons, whatever you want. Oh, it looks so cute! I love it! Now it's time to pop the balloon and remove it from our piñata. And just like that, we have ourselves our very own homemade piñata! Well, we did it! We answered Zoe's question, how do you make a piñata, and made our very own homemade craft. Now we can go back home, but I need your help. To transport me back home, we have to say the magical phrase, cuckoo bananas, 3 times. Say it with me. Cuckoo bananas, cuckoo bananas, cuckoo bananas. Whoa! Oh, we did it! We answered Zoe's question, how do you make a piñata, and got a fun homemade craft as well. To recap, we learned that the tools you need to make a paper mache piñata are a balloon, scissors, paper, water, and flour. Very good. Now, do you remember how many layers of paper we put on our balloon to make our piñata? 3! Oh, what an excellent memory you have. And lastly, how are you supposed to decorate your piñata? Any way you want! Go cuckoo bananas with creativity. Oh, what an amazing day filled with creating and questions. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to our next adventure real soon. Bye-bye for now! Oh, you're still here! Well, since I still have your attention, I'd love for you to click the subscribe button down below. Also, use the links in the description to follow us on social media. And lastly, go to askadam.tv to submit your question, and maybe we'll answer it on a future episode. Thanks so much. Bye-bye for now.